Welcome. In front of me is a Spiphone A10 Pro, and today I will show you how to access the factory mode on this device. So to get started, you want to hold power key and then select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we will then hold power key and volume down. So about now, power and volume down. Hold it till you'll see the device's logo, which is right now. You can let go. And we're now in the factory mode. So from here you'll use volume key, volume down more precisely, to navigate like so, and power key will be used to confirm whatever you select. And as you can see, you can auto test, you can do manual test. Basically it will test each component of the device, like screen, headphones and stuff like that, automatically, or you can do it manually by selecting which one you want and test items, some reports from the test, debug test, not really sure. Clear eMMC is a hard reset of the device, just the version general information, and the reboot, which is self-explanatory, and I'm going to choose that to go back to the normal Android. I'm going to confirm it with power key, like so. And now the device will boot back up into the Android system. And we're back in the Android. So that is how you boot into fast boot mode or factory mode, and also leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.